Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Ad Library videos completely for free. If you've been running Facebook ads for a while, you know the situation where you see an amazing video ad online and want to save it for future reference. So let me show you exactly how to download Facebook Ad Library videos for free in just 2 minutes. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ad Library. Click the first link, which will take you to the Facebook Ad Library. In the search box, start by choosing the country you want to search. For this example, I am going with India. Next, choose the ad category. Here I am selecting all ads. Now enter the keywords or your favorite brand you want to check and download videos for. For example, I'm typing one of my favorite brands, Jolly Jing. Select the profile from the suggestion that matches your search query. Okay, here it is. Now you'll see they're active, running ads. For example, let's say I want to download this particular video ad. Click on See Ad Details. Once you're on the Ad Details page, play the video. Click on Settings and change the video quality from SD to HD. Next, place your mouse cursor over the video, right-click and choose Inspect to reveal the video's code. The code will appear either at the bottom or side of your screen, depending on your device. Look for the source code of the video. It'll look something like this. It'll say source, followed by an equal sign, and then a URL inside. Now, double-click on the URL, copy the entire link, and paste it into a new tab. Now, you'll see that the video has been successfully downloaded to your computer. Open your file folder to locate the video. At this point, you might notice the file type is listed as a video file. To fix this, we need to change its file extension. Right-click on the file, select Rename, and add MP4 at the end of the file name. Press Enter, and now you'll see the ad video successfully playing. You can save it for future reference. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. Finally, thanks for watching.